Hello fellow gamers, I hope you are doing well. Today I come here with a keyboard review. It's a better keyboard from a company you guys might have heard, which is T-Dagger, and the keyboard model is Bora or TGK315 RGB mechanical keyboard. Without further ado, let's jump straight into unboxing. The unboxing is quite simple. In the box you will find the keyboard itself on the top, wrapped into nice packaging, and underneath the keyboard you will find keycap puller and key switch puller, which I didn't really get why they even include the key switch puller, because this keyboard don't support hot swap switches. Anyway, with this tool there will be a micro USB cable along with it, which is quite nice feature and also rare to see in this budget. In the keyboard wrap you will find little instruction manual which nobody reads, and after there will be the keyboard itself, obviously. Alright, after unboxing I will show you guys keyboard RGB modes and stuff. So this keyboard comes with 12 lighting modes like breathing, fact, glitch, etc. RGB on this keyboard is quite good. I mean, it's not dim or over bright. It has 8 color modes, in essence red, green, blue, etc. Keyboard is totally self-operated, mean no software control is needed, or no software control is there, which sometimes is quite good but sometimes not, but we can't complain much because the price we are paying for it is quite good. The keyboard has solid build quality and there's not much deck flex. The whole enclosure is made from plastic and is durable, while keycaps are PVD double shot and provides nice underglow with it. The keyboard has 10 keyless layout, which means no numeric pad is there. It's good for some people while other might need a pad, but still considering the price we can't complain much. Keyboard comes with Otemu blue switches, which are heavier and produce crispy satisfying sound when typing on, but it do make noise which some people don't like, but it's totally personal preference. Alright, here comes the sound test of Otemu blue switches, which I will be comparing with my old keyboard. Now get on gaming. Switching from my old keyboard to this newer one did take me some time, a day to be exact. In beginning it was a bit uncomfortable to type on, and also on gaming WSD buttons did felt bit uncomfortable because my finger were continuously hitting against each other, but by using it constantly the issue seems to fade away just fine. So what my overall thoughts and rating of this keyboard? I will say, considering the price, 6100 shipped, it's a great deal because same stuff in something like Fantech or Red Dragon costs like 7000 PKR minimum, and full size RGB mechanical keyboards cost like 8000 minimum. So I will say it's great purchase overall, and on my rating it's 8.5 to 9 out of 10. I bought this keyboard from IT Dukan for 6100 PKR, while this keyboard is also available on certain places like Pak Dukan or Season. One thing to take in note that while ordering from IT Dukan, it's highly recommended that you buy it by going to their shop personally. Or if you want to make home delivery, just choose the cash on delivery method because experience was really bad. My experience was really bad. I opted for bank transfer. I ordered it in the morning between 10 to 11 am, and their site says same day delivery in Lahore, Islamabad and Karachi, while I got the product next day in evening 5 am to be exact. So their customer service isn't that good. While I don't know about Season, and for Pak Dukan their service is quite good. You will hopefully get the item the same day in Lahore. So this is it for today. I will come back again with another video soon. If you like the video, hit the like and do subscribe, and if you didn't like it, then comment and do tell me how I can make it even better. So bye for now, take care.